Hello, teacher Cesar. This is the example of the speaking workshop. So let's begin. Welcome everyone to the speaking workshop. My name is Derlis Ruiz. I'm in charge of this speaking workshop. So let's speak, learn, and have fun together. Today is all about you and your family. Don't be afraid to speak. Everyone is learning. Smile, participate, and enjoy the experience. Why do we use the present simple? We use the present simple to talk about things that don't change quickly. Permanent characteristics stay the same for a long time. So we have 6 items, and so we are going to talk about that, everyone. Basic information. My sister lives in Bogota. My grandmother is 90 years old. Physical appearance. My mom is tall. My sister has a long hair. Personality. My brother is funny. My mom is very friendly. Habit or routine. My dad wakes up early. My sister goes to school at 7. Possession. My aunt has a car. My uncle has a big house. And likes and preferences. My mom likes chocolate. My sister hates vegetables. So basically, we have this example. So my father. My father is 40 years old. He's a doctor. He works at hospital. He's very kind. He's very wise. He's funny. He's tall. He has brown hair. He wears glasses. He plays soccer every weekend. He loves to barbecue. I read the newspaper. He reads the newspaper every day. He doesn't like video games. He likes drinking coffee. He loves watching action movies. He has a black motorcycle. He has a pet dog. He has a laptop for work. So we have some helpful tips. So speak slowly and clearly. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try. Use your notes or a guide if you need help, and have fun. If you want take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot of this one. So tell me if you had it, and you can have a screenshot of this one too. Okay, so let's spin the wheel and see which family member you'll talk about. So, Maria. Maria, she is going to talk about her mother. So, Maria, she's going to talk about her mother using categories like appearance, personality, hobbies, etc. So, the idea is everyone participate using these items: the basic information, physical appearance, personality, habits or routine, possession, and likes and preferences. So that's the speaking workshop. So that's all. Thank you for participating in this fun speaking workshop. So you tell me, what do you think? I think it's really good, and it's not too difficult. I think it's really interesting. Yep. So bye.